In this video we are going to see how to do a data entry for creating a product database in MS Excel 2013. First we have to create the row headings, serial number, product name. Now we have to adjust the cell width by double clicking it, manufacturing date, then expiry date. Again we have to adjust the width of the cell, price, units, then total. Now we have to make this as table. Before that we have to select the headings, then click on format as table option, select any of the design and click my table has headers checkbox. Since our table is having headers, we have to click on my table has headers, then click OK. Now click on file, click on options. In options click customize ribbon. Now we are going to customize the ribbon, and we have to select comments not in the ribbon. Now we are going to add a new command. Then here click new tab. We are going to add a new tab. We need a form. Select a form, then add. Change the tab name as data entry. Click OK. Click OK again. Now once you have selected the table, you can see the option data entry in your ribbon. Click on data entry, then click on form option. Now you can view the form. Now enter the data one by one. Serial number 1, product name, milk, manufacturing date, give any date as you wish. Again, for adding another record, click on new. And so on. You can add more data. Here it is serial number, product name, manufacturing date. We'll add one more product. First we have to type serial number, then product name, manufacturing date. If you have added all the data, you can click close. If you want to see the previous data, you can click find previous, and so on. You can find next also. If everything is okay, you can click close option. Now we are going to give the heading for this table. Before that we have to merge the table. Product database. We are going to apply the borders so that it looks like a table. Now we are going to use a formula to calculate total. For that, is equal to, then in formula bar we have to select price. Before that, open bracket, then we have to select price into units will be the total amount. So in this way we can create a product database by using data entry option in MS Excel 2013. That's all. Thank you.